What's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, this time the price will pumps up. So therefore, my friend, I am so happy and I will good news for all of you now, my friends, because the price will pumps up. The price will give you, oh my friend, a very good profit now. In this time, the price will increasing. So therefore, I like it and I will give you a very good option, my friend, to invest, hold or buy, and what we will need to do, my friend, and what's my prediction. Everything is going to be very important for all of you now. So if you want, my friends, to get a profit now, this is very important, my friends, to you will subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, you know, especially in previous video I already tell you to the price will pumps up, and definitely that's true. You can see here today the price will starting increasing, my brother. In previous video, my friend, I will already tell you to in last 10 days of every month every coin will pumps up. So that's true, my friend. As you can see here, the price will starting pumping, the price will starting increasing. So therefore, my prediction, my opinion is going to be very good and right now. So absolutely, this just an only, my friend, advice for all short-term investor who invest for short-term, my friend. Definitely this is just an only for that, to kindly hold it. I hope, my friend, the price will be double now. If you know, my friend, about the price prediction, so absolutely after a dump every coin will pump. So therefore, my prediction is going to be positive now. I hope in upcoming time the price will pumps up, because in previous days Dogecoin were very badly falls down. So my prediction is gone positive and my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. My opinion is to please hold, don't sell it. I hope in upcoming time they will give you a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and please, my friends, subscribe this channel for more this type videos.